Can you find the errors is the next topic. So I'm going to start with the exercise only. That is exercise number 6.4. By solving the problems only, I'll show you how to find the errors in each of the following questions. Okay. So here the first question is, find the correct error in the following mathematical statement. So here the first question given is 4. X minus 5 equal to 4x minus 5. So what we have to do is, we have to verify whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So first we are going to solve LHS, that is 4x minus 5, which is equal to 4x minus 5 4s are 20. Okay, so this is your LHS. And what is there in RHS? That is 4x minus 5. So definitely this is a wrong statement. So the correct statement is 4 times of x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. So this is the correct statement, which is not equal to RHS. So therefore the correct statement is 4x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. Like this you all should specify. Fourth question, that is x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. So we are going to first solve LHS. X plus 2x, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6x. And what is LHS here? 5x. So definitely this is not a correct statement, not equal to RHS. So therefore the correct statement is, I'm not writing it again children, but you all are supposed to write it, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. Next is 7th question. LHS is equals to 2x square plus 4 2x 7, now which is equal to 4x square plus 4 2s are 8x plus 7. Okay, and this is not equal to RHS. See, RHS is 2x square plus 8x plus 7, but here 4 and here it is 2. So definitely this is not equal to RHS. So therefore the correct statement is 2x square plus 4 2x plus 7 is equal to 4x square plus 8x plus 7. Okay, this step you should specify in each and every sum. 9th problem, that is 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. So here LHS is in the form of first identity. Yes, so I'm going to apply first identity. It will be 9x square plus 3 2s are 6x plus 4. See, this is not equal to RHS. So you should specify, the correct statement is this is equal to this. Okay, I'm not writing it again and again. I hope you all understood that what you should specify. You should specify 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9x square plus 6x plus 4 is the correct statement. Okay, 10th question is a very easy question children. You have to substitute the value of x is equal to minus 3 in each and every one. So A and B I am giving as an homework. In C I am going to substitute minus 3 in the place of x and I am going to show. So this will be minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3, which is equal to minus minus plus 3 3s are 9 plus minus minus 5 3s are 15. So 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. So here in textbook the given answer is, see, the given answer is minus 24. So definitely this is not equal. Okay, LHS is not equal. So definitely this is not minus 24. This is minus 6. So that you have to correct and write. I hope you all understood. Remaining 2 questions is an homework. Now look at the 11th problem. In 11th problem, we'll write LHS is equal to y minus 3 whole square. This is in the form of second identity. So this will be y square minus 3 to the 6 y plus 9, which is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement is y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 6y plus 9. So children, similar way, you should solve question number 12. See, question number 12 is also like that. See, this is in the form of first identity. You apply first identity over here. Okay. And you will get answer as z square plus 10x. Sorry, z square plus 10z plus 25. So this is not equal to RHS. What you are going to get is z square plus 10z plus 25. Okay, this is the correct statement. Next I'll do is 13th one. 14th and 15th will be homework. 13th I'll do it the same. 14th and 15th is same as 13th only. So here LHS is equal to 2a plus 3b a minus b, which is equal to 2a into a minus b plus 3b into a minus b. This is 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab minus 3b square, which is equal to 2a square plus minus minus 3 minus 2 is minus ab minus 3b square. So this is definitely not equal to RHS. So the corrected statement is 2a plus 3b a minus b is equal to 2a square minus ab minus 3b square. Okay, this is the correct statement. 16th question. LHS is equal to 3x square upon 3x square is equal to 1, which is not equal to RHS because RHS is 0. So the corrected statement is LHS is equal to 1. Now 17th one. See, LHS is equal to 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square, which is equal to 3x square divided by 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square. 3x square cancel, which is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. So this is not equal to 2, which means it is not equal to RHS. So the corrected statement is this. So children, similar way you do 18th problem and 20th problem. It is same. Even 21 is same. I'll do the 19th problem now. 19th question is 3 upon 4x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 4x. So LHS is equal to 3 upon 4x plus 3. See children, whether you are able to simplify it? No. Here you cannot take anything common, and this is the last form. Okay, we cannot simplify it more. So this is the only answer, which is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement is 3 upon 4x plus 3 is equal to 3 upon 4x plus 3. Okay, I hope you all understood. This exercise is very easy. Okay, remaining problems which I have not done, children, that is in homework. You have to do it in your classwork. Thank you.